how to create WhatsApp account. So if you want to create a WhatsApp account, then first you just need to check your internet connection. And the main thing is that you need to install the WhatsApp application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you've installed the application, you can simply tap on WhatsApp and then you can open up your WhatsApp application. Once you tap on it, you need to tap on agree and continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And then you need to choose your language. Once you've chosen, go for the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on agree and continue, and tap on allow if you want to allow the notifications. And here you will have this kind of interface. So you just need to choose your country code or the country which is on the first option or the first blank. Simply tap on the drop down bar and then choose a country, and once you choose the country, it will automatically generate the country code. And once you have the country code, you need to enter your mobile number. So enter the mobile number and then tap on next. Once you tap on next, it will ask you if it's the correct number or not, and tap on yes, and then you will have this kind of interface where you need to verify your number, and your verification has been completed, right? Or you will also receive a call on your number, so you can simply pick up the call or cut the call. It's on you. So after that, what you need to do is, if you want to allow the contacts and media, simply go for continue and then you can allow. And here you will have this kind of interface where you can add a profile picture, and you can simply tap on the profile picture and then you can add the profile picture from your gallery. And here you will have the name option, right? So you can simply add a name. So give it a name, and then you can also add some emojis and tap on next. And here you will have this kind of interface where you need to create a passkey. So you can also skip this part, but I'll be tapping on continue, and then sign into your Google account to create the passkey. So you just need to sign into your account and you can create your passkey. So I'll just skipping that for now and wait for some time. And after that, you need to choose the backup storage process. So I'll be choosing daily backup, and then tap on Google account and then choose the Google account in which you would like to have the backup. So enter your mail account or the Google account and then tap on next and enter your password and tap on I agree, and then tap on turn on backup and tap on done. And you need to choose the backup frequency and then tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen. And that's it, your account has been created. So that's how you can create your account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.